कितने दिनों के बाद घड़ी ये आई, इस बड़े मुबारक दिन को साथ में लाई। दिल झूम झूम ये गाए, दिल झूम झूम ये गाए, तुम्हें गम छू भी ना पाए। दिल झूम झूम ये गाए, तुम्हें गम छू भी ना पाए। तुम्हें उम्र हमारी लग जाए, तू जिए हजारों साल।
Hey Naresh, how are you? I hope all is well. Hope you're having a great day. I just thought, I'll wish you on your 50th birthday. Hope you're having a great day. Well, at first I thought maybe I should sing or dance, but I didn't want to torture you. But anyway, so I thought I'll just send you a greeting through a video. And by the way, also want to introduce you to this guy. He is the newest member of my family, Ozzy. You want to say hi to Mr. Naresh? Look at that. Look at that. You want to give him a paw five? High five? Right there. Alright, man. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.
Hi Naresh, it's such a pleasure wishing you on your golden birthday. Naresh means king, and wishing you everything king size in your life. Happiness, joy, success, family, all the good things in life. Wish you a wonderful, fantastic, fantabulous, super golden birthday.
Dear Naresh, wish you a wonderful 50th. Welcome to the Golden Club in this lovely forest close to my home here at Sanborn Park. It's been such a long journey where as kids at Kalpakam we have had such a wonderful time. Then we moved on, became professionals, met up at Bangalore, and then here at the Bay Area too when you visited. It was such a nice time together. Hope we'll keep meeting more and more often moving forward. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.
Hi Naresh, wish you a very happy birthday. Today it's your 50th birthday. Have a fabulous day. Let all your dreams come true. I pray God to give you good health and strength for the next 50 more years.
Hey Naresh, happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Cheers.
Hi Naresh, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. You are already a blessed soul with a lovely wife Purnima and 2 lovely children, and you made our stay when we visited Bangalore memorable. That will always be etched in my memories. Wish you a very happy birthday and have a great day with your family.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನರೇಶ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ 50ನೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು, ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಬಹುಶಃ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗಲಿಂದ ಇದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆಯೂ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂದ ಕಳೆದು 50 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದೆ. 50 ವರ್ಷ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಇದು. ನಾನು ದೇವರನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೇನೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಯಸ್ಸು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಸುಖ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ದೇವರು ನಿನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಡಲಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೀ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅಪ್ ದಿ same friendship and keep in touch, and thank you very much. Bye.
Wish you a very happy 50th birthday, and may you have a wonderful year and an enjoyable day. Have lots of fun, and wish you all the best. May God bless you.
Hi Naresh, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. God bless. Be safe. Be cheerful.
Hi, happy birthday Naresh. Join the club of the 50s. 18 years and 32 years of experience. Wishing you a beautiful and the finest things in this 50s. May God bless you with good health and happiness. May the next 50 be even better than this one. Wishing you a fun-filled, fantabulous 50. Have a beautiful day.
Hi Naresh, happy 50th birthday man. Remembering our friendship in Kalpakam days, I would like to dedicate a few lines to our friendship. वो ख्वाबों के दिन, वो किताबों के दिन, वो ख्वाबों के दिन, वो किताबों के दिन, सवालों की रातें, जवाबों के दिन. These are all the wonderful times when we studied together, group studies and going to school together. So, वो ख्वाबों के दिन, वो किताबों के दिन, सवालों की रातें, जवाबों के दिन. कई साल हमने गुजारे वहाँ. This is at the time when we were in Kalpakam. कई साल हमने गुजारे वहाँ. वहीं साथ खेले हुए हम जवां. था बचपन बड़ा सुहाना हमारा. सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा. You're a good singer. I'm sure you should have guessed what song is this and from which movie. Try and guess and let me know. Happy birthday man. Happy enjoy your day, enjoy your year, and wish you all the best in the future as well. Take care.
Happy birthday, Naresh. Many more happy returns of the day. Welcome to the 50s Club. Have lots of fun and enjoy your day with family and friends. Stay blessed and take care.
Happy birthday Naresh. Happy 50th birthday and many more happy returns of the day. One more feather added to the cap of the 50s Club. May God bless you with lots of happiness, peace of mind, and fulfill all your wishes today and always. You are a nice person. Some 2 years before, we had met at in Dubai. You and Sri Kumar, all of us met at a place and we talked for a while. I felt very much pleased by your humble nature. You have not changed since we left the school at Kalpakam. Very much witty, cracking jokes. So be happy, stay safe, have a smile on your face, always. Once again, happy birthday and many more happy returns of the day.
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಬ್ಬ ನಿನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ತುಂಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ವಯಸ್ಸು 50. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ನರೇಶ, ಖುಷಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರು ಹಮೇಶ. ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಡೇ and a beautiful year ahead, Naresh. Keep spreading that happiness and the positive vibes that you always do. Have a great day. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Naresh, wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Wishing you good health and happiness always. Have a blast.
Hey Naresh, wish you a happy 50th birthday. Really happy that you're finally into the 50-year club. I wish you the very best and hope you have a wonderful day today with your family as well. We have too many memories. We had only good memories. We spent a lot of time together. Our families were also constantly in touch, so we spent a lot of time. Our weekend times, our chess games and Scrabble, those are amazing. Kalpakam time was awesome, but we have also stayed in touch beyond as well. I still remember our rendezvous in Bangalore, Jayanagar 4th block. I don't think it's the same as what it was, but those memories are really, really wonderful. It's good to constantly be in touch, and thanks to WhatsApp, we are even more closer now. I just wish you the very best and hope you have a wonderful day. I know it's COVID times, but hope you have some great plans for the day, and I wish you the very best. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Wish you a very happy 50th birthday, Naresh. God bless you. Keep going. Stay happy. Stay healthy. Challenges are going to be there, every walk of life. But I think we need to overcome them and go ahead. So keep yourself fit and keep going. And welcome to the group of 50s. In fact, we are in our 15s. Fine. So wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday.
Hi Naresh, many happy returns of the day. Special wishes on your 50th birthday. Hope you are having a good time, a memorable time today with family and friends. So I wish the future years are filled with happiness, good health. Enjoy your day. Have a good times in the future as well. Bye.
Hi Naresh, wishing you a very happy golden birthday. Stay blessed with good health and lots of happiness. Enjoy your fabulous year ahead. Take care.
Hi Naresh, wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. I feel pleasant to invite you into our club. So it's a very happy occasion. So crossing 50 years is definitely a milestone in anyone's life, and happy that you two accomplish this particular task in your life. I wish you had a wonderful and memorable 50 years, and I hope and wish and pray to God you have a much more enjoyable and fun-filled next 50 years. I wish all your dreams come true. Have a blast with your family. Go for a fantastic celebration. I once again wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Naresh. Many more happy returns of day. God bless you. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Naresh, happy 50th birthday. May God bless you with all happiness and joy. All your dreams come true. God bless you. Have a great day.
Hi Naresh, welcome to the Golden Club. Happy 50th birthday. Many more happy returns of the day. So we're going to have a wonderful day. Have fabulous years ahead. Be safe. Have fun with family and friends. So 50 years is gone. Just don't think it is 50. It's just years of experience. That's it. Okay? So God bless you. Wish you all you wish. Okay? And the dishes also which you sent, it's really good. So have a nice day. Enjoy. Have fun.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to